Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So a few days back I was surfing through my Instagram and I saw a video in which the person used a lipstick, not exactly a lipstick, it was kind of a liquid, a sticky liquid that they applied, and after some time it dried, so they just peeled it off and they got a very beautiful color which lasts throughout the day. And I fell in love with that concept. I mean, it was so different, so interesting, and the way the lipstick peeled off, it was so satisfying. So I went to Amazon to look for it and I got this. It's a romantic bare wow long lasting lip color in the color cherry red, and I applied it, I tried it, and it came out to be really nice. So I'm gonna show you guys how this works. So what you have to do is apply the lipstick. So first I apply directly from the tube, but then I use a brush to get the perfect shape. Then I wait for 15 minutes until it completely dries, and then I just peel it off, and that's it. And also this lipstick didn't make my lips dry at all, but in case yours do, you can always put a lip balm or a lip gloss on top of it. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so some people might find this really dark, but when we peel it off, it'll be a very different color. And also there are many options for other colors, so you can go for any color you like. And now we'll wait for 15 minutes. Okay, so it has been 15 minutes and now we'll peel it off. And that's it. You can see it leaves no stain at all, and if I just touch my lips, I don't even feel that I have put something. It feels very natural and normal to me, and believe me, it will last throughout the day, and my lips also don't feel dry at all. So guys, I really recommend that you buy this because it is really nice and it is very cheap. I think it's just for 200 or something. Okay guys, so that will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this something new, something different thing with the lips. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, share, and most importantly subscribe to my channel. Please guys, please subscribe to my channel, show some love, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.